Alrighty guys, we are now riding the subway train here in as the second Midsummer edition to Terminal A. Yep, there's one last look at the subway train station of Terminal D and E. Of Terminals D and E, I'm gonna say. Yep. Yep. We're about to approach Terminal C. I know I don't have my camera at the window because there's people sitting in the other cars and I don't want to put them on camera. There's the other train too that's already leaving. Okay, here we are in Terminal. We're arriving in Terminal C right now.
Usted se encuentra en la Terminal C. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es el Hotel Marriott.
For your
Whoa.
safety and the safety of others, the airport luggage carts
That is a
are not allowed on the subway
makes a
train
loud
system.
vibrating sound
Please
too.
offload your luggage or use the pedestrian tunnel
I got
to
the door.
continue to your destination.
Para su seguridad y
Okay.
la seguridad de otros, los carritos para equipaje del aeropuerto no se permiten en el sistema de tren Subway. Por favor, descargue su equipaje
Alright, and now we're
o use
closing
el
up.
túnel de peatones para continuar a su destino.
You are at Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be the Marriott Hotel.
Usted se encuentra en la Terminal C. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es el Hotel Marriott.
And there's the other train again. And we're going just a little slow. That's because we're coming up to one of these turns right here up ahead.
De nuevo en cualquier momento. Por favor, quédese en su vehículo.
Whoa. This train really does feel like a roller coaster, especially when it does these turns. Okay, we're arriving at the Marriott Hotel.
Your next stop will be Terminal B.
Whoa.
Agarre la baranda de apoyo.
And it
Su
vibrates
próxima
too.
parada es la
My
Terminal
gosh.
D.
And those escalators over there, too. Yep. And that's the hotel the Marriott Hotel out there. Sorry if it's a crappy picture, but anyways, now we are closing up. Oh. There's Here's the other train.
Se encuentra en el hotel. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Próxima parada.
Yep, now we're about to approach Terminal B. Whoa. The other train is also arriving too.
Your next stop will be Terminal A.
Usted
Those are the elevators here in Terminal B, which,
agarre la baranda de apoyo.
of course, those are the old
Próxima parada
Montgomery
es la
elevators.
terminal A.
Whoa, that's a rough stop. Alright. I got the door for you guys. You're welcome. The song playing now is I'm Like a Bird by Nelly Furtado. I'm gonna go ahead and get up in the front. Yep. The other train's leaving now. And we're just on peak up for right now. Yep, now everybody's gone. Now it's just me and the train. And there's the call button right there. There's Grenade by Bruno Mars. That's a really nice song. Let's get a cab view of this thing. Alright, now we're closing up.
You are at Terminal B.
Alright, and here we go.
Your next stop will be Terminal A.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal B. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal A.
Whoa. It really feels like a roller coaster in here. Tossed it in the trash. Okay, we're coming up to another one of these turns again. And again, this train really does feel like a roller coaster. Especially since it makes these turns too. My goodness.
You are at Terminal A. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal B.
Okay, here we are.
Se encuentra en la terminal A.
Here we are.
Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su
All right.
próxima parada es la terminal B.
I got the door for you guys. Okay, now. Train's gonna stay on peak right now, so. Those are the other music speakers up there.
Please stand clear of the doorway.
Alright, and that's it.